Okay, we're here at SLU at Adorjan Hall. Got an elevator here and a weird guy over here.
Yes.
Let's see if they fixed the low on oil. This was the worst low on oil elevator I've ever seen.
Nice indicator out there.
This is where you think, oh no, it's modded.
Nope.
Then you walk in, and oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh no, it's locked out. But
Wow, they fixed the elevator. Oh, that bike's still there.
I'm gonna let you do the honors.
I love these.
You got a nice, textile cab here. Got a phone, EDA.
One of my favorite details.
Yes. And this little quirk with US buttons, or US indicators, I should say.
Yep.
As I get the door closed on me. Okay, well, that's it.